Okay, so ang next na pag-aaralan natin is priority scheduling non-preemptive. Non-preemptive is madali siyang i-compute compared sa preemptive. Kasi yung sunod-sunod lang, hindi siya nag-uulit. Makikita nyo yung mamaya doon sa preemptive process. So, dito sa priority scheduling, ang tinitingnan mo lagi is yung priority. Ito yung tinitingnan lagi. Pero, yung unang process na magsisimula is titingnan mo siya sa arrival time. So, yung titingnan mo muna is yung sino yung nauna dito. So, 0 yung mauna, kaya P1 yung ilalagay mo dito. P1. So, 0, and then yung burst time niya is 7. So, 0 plus 7. So, 7. And then, yung kasunod niya is, maghahanap ka dito sa priority na pinakamababa. Yung the lower the number, the higher the priority. So, hanapin mo yung pinakamababa dito. Si P2 yung kasunod kasi siya yung 1. So, P2 yung kasunod, P2, and then, yung burst time niya is 5. So, 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. So, natapos na si P2, hahanap ka ng priority na mas mababa sa dalawang to. So, si P3, kasi 3 siya. So, P3, yung burst time niya, 12 plus 2. So, 14. And then, natapos na yan, maghahanap na naman ng pinakamababa na priority. Eh, nag-iisa na lang siya. So, si P4 na lang yan. P4. 14 plus 3, 17. So, ito na yung mga completion time. 0, 7, 12, 14, 17. Ang una nating i-compute is turnaround time. Yung turnaround time, completion time, minus arrival time. So, yung sa P1, yung completion time niya is 7. So, 7 minus 7, minus 0 pala, kasi yung arrival time niya, 0. Is equals to 7. So, yung P2, natapos siya nung 12 millisecond. So, minus 1, arrival time is equals to 11. And then, 14, sa P3, completion time niya, 14 minus 2 is equals to 12. Then, P4, 70 siya natapos, minus 3, na arrival time niya, is equals to 14. So, yung average turnaround time niya is equals to 7 plus 11 plus 12 plus 14 divided by 4. So, 44 divided by 4 is equals to 11 millisecond. 82 na. Average turnaround time. So, kapag nakuha mo na yan, ilipat mo lang to dito kasi yung formula ng waiting time is turnaround time minus burst time. So, 7, 11, 12, 14, minus, lipat mo lang to, 7, 5, 2, 3. So, 0, 6, 10, 11. So, yung average waiting time niya is equals to 0 plus 6 plus 10 plus 11 divided by 4. So, 27 divided by 4 equals to 6.75 millisecond. AWT. Yan na siya.